property I introduced to you today, 8 Emerald Close, Mornington, encapsulates the great Aussie dream. But let me take you inside and show you why. The home's open plan living steps out onto your own outdoor entertainment area. The home absorbs an abundance of natural light all day long. The great part of this home, it allows the children to be playing in the backyard or swimming in the pool, or you sit back and relax, all with the children still in view. Positioned in a quiet court, walking distance to Benton's Junior College, Benton Square Shopping Centre, with state-of-the-art sporting facilities soon to be completed located at the end of the street. Can you picture yourself living in this fantastic family-friendly home? Well, if you can, come and have a look at our open for inspection this Saturday. I look forward to seeing you there.